Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.